Good morning, Kapaldo. So, andito ka ngayon kasi hindi mo ma-verify yung Twitter account mo, hindi mo mailagay yung Philippine phone number mo sa iyong Twitter account. Yes, I've been there too. Nag-search na ako sa iba't ibang social media channel and wala akong nahanap. Buti na lang at ginamitan natin ng 100% talino, guys. So, ito na yung solusyon, wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa. So, best solution nito guys is we need to create a virtual number kasi ayaw nga tanggapin ni Twitter yung Philippine number natin. So, gagawa tayo ng United Kingdom based phone number. So, we need to create a virtual phone number. So, ito yung steps guys. Okay, so from your Play Store, download nyo yung application na ito, Hashed. So, Hashed second phone number. So, pagka-download niyo is create kayo ng account. After nyo mag-create ng account, choose a virtual phone number and piliin nyo yung United Kingdom na country. Pumili kayo ng isang numero from United Kingdom. Then, you need to buy at least yung pinakamura na promo nila kasi kailangan lang nating mag-text from United Kingdom, I mean from Philippines to United Kingdom. So, we will use United Kingdom number to United Kingdom kasi yung Twitter guys, yung number na papateksan sa kanila is United Kingdom number. So, I have already tried Globe Smart and dito wala silang promo na pwede tayong mag-text to United Kingdom. So, we need to use this kind of strategy. So, ito na, meron akong virtual phone number. As you can see guys, United Kingdom. And is nag-text ako sa kanila ng code nila sa Twitter. Ito kasi plus 447 United Kingdom yan. And yes, it was successfully sent. The code was sent and my account was successfully verified. So, yun lang guys. Simpleng katalinuhan lang guys mga kapaldo. And if ever this video helped you and nakatulong to, i-share nyo sa mga kaibigan nyo, makatulong din sa kanila. And like this video and don't forget to subscribe for our next uploads.